Today we're going to cover some of our hand-held straightening tools. If you're uncomfortable with straightening an arrow by hand, in other words, you turn down it, you stare down it, you find your spot, you tweak it, get your arrow spinning nice and straight. Some of us can't do that quite readily, so we're going to show you how to use the Shaft Tamer and the Ace Roller Straight. Shaft Tamer, I'm going to demonstrate first. You're going to pick up your arrow, you're going to look down it, and you're going to find that high spot. High spot is going to be exaggerated as going to be that bow in your arrow shaft. That's the highest part. So you look down your shaft. Okay, I'm going to mark it with my thumb. And this is going to be the high spot. And that's marked right there. You take your roller straight, and I palm it, just like this. I get in that groove right there where the shiny is. There's a groove, and that's where your shaft fits into it. And all you're going to do is just use the weight of the tool and pressing down very little. I'm just using the weight of my hand and the tool, and I'm just massaging this. As I get to the high spot, there's a little ump, and then I just glide over. Really not a lot of effort. You want to start out slow and try to get it out with the least amount of force necessary. You look down that shaft. Boy, there's not much there. There's a little bit of move back here. So I got that marked. You got to have a flat surface to start with. You don't want to have a countertop that's all bent or that's out of whack. Okay. So it's actually, this high spot is moving down the shaft. There you go. Once you have that worked out, you've got yourself a very, very straight arrow. Okay. The Ace Roller Straight, same principle. It's got a little curve in the wheel here. What you do is you take another arrow. I'm going to find that high spot. Now this one, it's way out here at the end. Again, I like to use my thumb as a reference point where that is. Just going to hold this up and down on it and massage the arrow. A little bit here. Sometimes when they get towards the end of that arrow, see, that one came out pretty easily. Sometimes you get a stubborn shaft that just won't cooperate. And it takes a while to work on it, but it's a lot more fun when it comes out easy. Okay, there we go. Got your arrow back to being straight. Even if it's a finished arrow, you can straighten it out using these tools if you need to. Just keep it handy, and you'll use it a lot more than you think you will.